That looks hard.
Thanks for helping, bro. If you just go a little faster, you'll just make it.
That's exactly what he tells me too. Okay, so we're at the start of the Lockhart Basin, and it is again 4:33, just about the same time. Any last words? Any final words before my rematch? Any predictions?
You'll just roll right over it.
Just gonna. That's it. We're just gonna be done. Some videos can be real short. In this video, I'm gonna try to show you realistically what it's like to ride the UTBDR expert only section at Lockhart Basin. This is our experience. Enjoy. So the trail starts off pretty much fire road, gravel, smooth, pretty fast riding, but you're looking around, getting used to the scenery. It's hard not to take your eyes off the road and lose your focus, but man, it is awesome here. My stomach at this point is getting pretty nervous. I'm remembering getting my butt kicked on my solo adventure here, and the section's coming up. So up here we come to a river crossing, and we'll see how we get through that. We have to cross the river? Yeah. This was not here last time. Do we walk it or just bomb it? Not the trail. Looks like it's open. Come on, buddies. Woo. Yep, it's a hard 4 miles.
About 2 hours and 10 minutes from sunset.
Let's go. Start left. I'll film you if you do it. Off camera? I know you can make it, John.
Does that look rideable, he says?
Yeah, I would probably take this side, but yeah. Want me to hold it while you get on? Yeah, you got it. Yep. You got a foot on the ground or something? Oh God, no! Okay. How's your body? Oh God. Ow. There you go. Okay. I got it 100% here. Duct tape maybe.
Documented. It's not there.
What?
Sweat flag. That's the cameraman.
That's why I like that job. Have your elbow. Time out. Are you turning around? What do you want to do? Tell me when you're gonna go and I'll let go. Hey, it's all you. You're making it. I have to ask, what was your strategy, bro? Oh. I think we should look at that. You don't want to be by a cliff edge.
It's good.
It's good?
Okay.
So yeah, after watching those shenanigans, you can call it chickening out, whatever you want. I'm going around. After John's first one, I was like, maybe I'll do it. And then I watched your first one, I was like, maybe I won't do that. But you didn't give up.
Yeah, but we both know that John sending it doesn't equal us sending it.
No, no it doesn't. Oh, muddy. What do you What do you think happened here?
Right, but hey, if you guys want to eat rabbit, we can dig it out of here.
Yeah.
There's a rabbit in there somewhere.
Hee-haw, hee-haw. So on my solo mission, this is where my world started falling apart. Not today! Yes! Nice! Oh boy. Eyes are tired. What does that mean? Like literally.
or do you want?
Get to the end as quick as possible.
Okay, which way would you go if this is what your post was?
Well, I probably went straight up there in the middle of the night. I don't know. Or to the left in the crevice.
What's the easiest path up this, John?
Straight up.
Okay, you want me to show you the easiest way?
Yeah.
Go up the hill.
Just like that. Cool. Okay, so long. Sayonara, so long. Woo!
I've done both, by the way.
I'll show you where I went last time. That's where I went last time.
What's wrong?
It feels like it's not like fully disengaging or finding a full gear. It's like, I don't know. So the Lockhart Expert Only section is 78 miles. There's some long stretches where you're fast, smooth, mixed in with some technical sections. Then there's some pretty technical sections mixed in with some very technical sections. And about halfway through, I tend to get pretty worn out and you start making silly mistakes and tired mistakes like I am here. So on my solo mission, when I did the expert section alone, somewhere around this area, I left my $600 Oakley glasses that helped me see. So this trip was partially to find those. And every area that we go into right in this section looks like where I think I left them. So not only am I falling and wasting energy picking up the bike, but I'm wasting energy looking all over and not finding my glasses. Let's just say the rest of this night was not a great night for me. Woo! Stand down! I cannot believe I did this shit solo and in the dark. Yep, this is it. All I can see is dust.
Hee-haw, Jackrabbit.
First of all, right here, I'd like to thank Backcountry Adventure Motorsports and Tim Collins' channel for showing me how to pick my bike up correctly, because I got plenty of practice on this trip. And I think I'm going to wrap up the video here. Just let you know, I did not find my glasses. We ended up having to camp on the trail, which I had to do on my solo video. Check it out. It will be at the end of the video. You can see it, and if you click the little information button up above, you'll be able to see my first solo attempt of the expert section at night. Thanks for tuning in. We will wrap up the UTBDR group series coming up soon. Stay safe and come join the adventure, baby. Yeah, I don't know. I just like my light shined into dust. I just didn't see it.
Probably put your mirrors down too.
Going for it, buddy. Here we go. Totally fucking exhausted, pissed off, tired, hungry. So, I'm looking for my glasses right in this area, and I go for a walk to admit defeat, and what do I find? I find a fucking knife. So give something, take something.